Hello guys, welcome back to Abraham Family Vlog. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm making jalebi, which is one of the sweet desi dish. And for this I have taken 2 cups of maida flour, 1 cup of dahi, that is yogurt, 2 pinches of food color, and 1 pinch of baking soda. And now I'm pouring the water and dissolving it. Make sure that there no lump is left, and dissolve it nicely. Now it is done. You can see the consistency. I'm mixing it more. On the other side I'm making shira, which is sugary water, and on other side I'm making the oil. I'm waiting for it to get boil. Now I have put the paste in a shopping bag and I